So, I want to talk about something today that I really truly understand and sympathize and relate to because I had this same problems in the early stages of Beacon. Being a founder led business, I really understand this challenge, not just for founders, but for anybody who's solely worked on a product or service and is then seeking outside help, is that fear of handing it over to somebody else. So, in the beginning, it's really tricky. It's your baby. You have put so much time and effort into marketing for a product or service that you're part of, or setting up the whole business if you're a founder. And you put in the late hours and the weekend working, you know it inside out and better than anybody. And that won't change. But there comes a point where you can be hindering the growth of your business because you can't possibly do all of it on your own. There's also expertise. There's things that you don't know how to do. And sometimes getting that outside advice, that outside perspective from an agency is really, really valuable to your business. And also, just on a personal level, to take the stress off your shoulders, to take on some extra from you. It is nerve-wracking, and we understand that. So we have a really strict onboarding process to really get to know our clients, particularly if we've done a strategy with you and done a strategy workshop, to get underneath the skin of what you do and who you are. We really do genuinely want to work as an extension of your team, and that you feel that we're not an outside agency, that actually we're part and parcel of your team. So that you can focus on other elements that is important to your day-to-day job, and get more space to do other things that helps you grow your business. There are plenty of companies where we started working with them at a startup or early scale up stage, and we effectively were their marketing department. They didn't have a marketing team. And then as we've progressed and helped them grow, they're ready to take on an internal marketing team member. And in those processes, we've helped them not only when they've picked the right candidate, onboard them in, but get them started, make sure they feel supported in the first few months, and then change what we're doing working with them. We're more than happy to onboard a member of staff. It's not a us or them situation, and it's actually quite a proud moment for us, when we've done such a good job that they're able to hire in and that we're helping that team grow. The Beacon team will take such care of your business, and we will treat it as if it's our own.